Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel, and in this video I'll be showing you how to download Cricbuzz TV on laptop. So without wasting any time, let's get right on the video. We present an official Cricbuzz TV app for Windows or Mac OS laptops. The Cricbuzz TV app you might see in app stores is specifically for Apple TV devices only, that is tvOS, and not for laptops. That said, you can still run Cricbuzz on your laptop in a few other ways. The first step or method is use the Cricbuzz website. To do it, simply head over and open up your browser. Then on the search bar, simply type in cricbuzz.com. Then once inside here, what you need to do is simply log into your account, and then in order to view live scores, simply select live scores right here, and you will get live scores, commentary, news, and match details just like on the app. No installation is needed and works on Windows or Mac OS. This is usually the quickest way to follow scoreboards and highlights. Now, if you want to install a Cricbuzz app, what you need to do is run the Android app on the laptop via Android emulator. To do is simply head over and open up your browser, then on the search bar type in Android emulators. Then once you hit search, you can simply download an Android emulator like Genymotion, BlueStacks, and so on, and then once downloaded you can install app from the BlueStacks. Simply open up the BlueStacks, for example, and sign into Google Play and search for Cricbuzz like you search in the Google Play Store and install it. Simply then open the app within the BlueStacks to view live score and updates, which is useful if you prefer the Android app experience on laptop. So these are a couple of ways that you can use Cricbuzz, maybe as it doesn't have the specific app for the laptops. So these are a couple of steps that you can apply, and that's it for today's video guys. Hope this video was useful and see you soon on the next one.